You are now watching Doorbell News.
Portland, Oregon. Check her out. She goes inside of somebody's apartment while they're out walking their dog. Springfield, Ohio. Looks like somebody fell asleep at the wheel. Meanwhile, in Portland, the apartment owner comes back and notices someone in her apartment.
Hey! What the hell are you doing?
Indio, California. Check this guy out.
Wow.
Wrong house, buddy. Get lost!
Hey, in my car.
In your car? Let's go.
Yeah, I don't have it. Okay, hold on.
Come on.
Hey, come on.
What do you want?
Man, this is my mama, man. Come on.
For what? Who are you?
Hold on.
Female people.
Wait a minute. Right here.
Who?
Wait a minute. Right there where he at.
Where you get out?
My keys.
Compton, California. Can't even leave your parrot outside anymore. Youngstown, Ohio. Channelview, Texas. Check her out. Hope you enjoy the dog food. Salt Lake City, Utah. So these two come over somebody's house to start a little beef. Let's see what happens. Salt Lake City, Utah. Yeah, better grab those packages ASAP. Pasadena, Texas. So this food delivery driver comes to drop some food off. West Hempstead, New York. So this guy just walks right inside of somebody's house.
Oh, this is the wrong house. Sorry. Hey, sorry, I'm sorry.
Norwalk, California.
Help me, Dick. Help me.
What's this guy on? Get lost! Meanwhile, in Pasadena, the food delivery driver's buddy hops out and takes the food that was just delivered. What a shame. Los Angeles, California. Better slow down. These people aren't paying attention out here. Klamath Falls, Oregon. Check her out.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I was just seeing if your hose worked, that's all.
Okay, who are you?
Move it. I mean, it's well, it's Lady Diana.
I can't hear you. Can you come closer?
But I'm going back next door to Diana.
Okay, well, if I see you again, I'm going to call the cops.
Leave my property.
Meanwhile, in Salt Lake City.
Remove it from my property. Okay? Off my property. Shame on you talking with that filthy mouth. Filthy mouth. You can tell that your mother didn't raise you right. Your mother did not raise you right. Filthy mouth. And eat with that mouth. You eat with that mouth. You eat with that mouth. And you talk with that mouth to elderly people. Shame on you. Shame on you.
Fresno, California. Check this guy out.
Hey, who was that?
Yeah, message to Don, please. Can I speak to Don, please?
What?
Is this Don?
Who you looking for?
Don.
You got the wrong door.
Which door is it?
You got the wrong door, man.
All right. Sorry. Apologize.
Get lost!
I see both of y'all over there. Get the hell away from my face.
Make sure you thumbs up this video. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.